In case if you have accidentally deleted a phone number from your iPhone and want to restore it, you can easily do it from iCloud. Now for this one, your iPhone contact should be backed up to the iCloud, which happens by default in your iPhone unless you don't change the setting. So what you do is, I will go ahead and open this website iCloud.com. Then I will enter the Apple ID. Then I will enter the password for my Apple ID and then next. After this, I will click on this name here, go to account settings, and if I scroll down at the bottom, there is an option here, restore contact. I will click on it. So what I'll do is I will select the latest date, that is today, and then restore, and then I will select this option, restore. So you can see the contacts have been restored successfully. Okay, and then done. So the deleted contact should appear in your iPhone after few seconds.